This can't be good. No, we're not just doing regular servicing. We got a problem. And I'll show you what that is once we get everything cleaned up here. So, the rollers are fine. That's spinning like brand new. Not bad. Can't complain. The pulley is alright. That could be oiled, but otherwise it's spinning free. But the motor is just stalled. Can't turn it by hand at all. So the next step is to open the back up and see what the hell is going on. I'm guessing it's a bad motor, but we'll find out. Oh, look what we have here. Here is the motor, and it is completely fucked. You cannot turn it by hand at all. With the pliers you can, but I only have the one hand because I'm holding the camera. Here's the blower wheel. Now, we went to the Appliance Man's YouTube channel, and he said to put a 7/8 inch wrench. No, it's not 7/8. It was... What was the other one? It was... this side. 13/16. That's what fit it. But that still didn't work. Probably because the 7/8 was too big, and he specifically stated 7/8. We watched it twice, so we ended up putting a pair of vice grips on it, like that, and then spun off the shaft here, and that. You want to give that a spin with the pliers while you're there, just to show how fucking bound this thing is. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it like locked up.
So this thing was turning it because it had more torque on it.
Yeah, because you had a whole wheel on it.
Can this be fixed?
No, my dad has a Whirlpool dryer gas one, but it's the same kind of motor idea.
This can't be like shot with brake fluid and soaked.
You can
like
try it.
Like a carburetor?
You can try it, but I think my dad did that when his went out years ago.
Oh man. Oh, it's just so like
it just totally shits itself.
It's almost like there's like, how do I say it?
Like the bearings like fuse.
Right, like there's liquid bearings or some kind of oil based in here, and they both just like blew out.
Yeah,
and
of course it just fused together.
Of course that didn't happen because there's no, like CV joint oil in there. But it's almost like what did it get so hot that it just like
That could have been. But anyway, that's it. It's a bad motor. No big. Motor was, what was it, $65 and $7 shipping, something like that was about the best price we found. Here's where the blower wheel goes. We got some dust in there to clean out. Motor's on order, should be in about a week, and put her back in service. Run for another good 10 years.
Hopefully. Need a new one.
Yeah, dryers are pretty simple. We checked the thermostat and overload sensors for continuity. They both have it, so that really is it. There's nothing else to go wrong. We looked at the belt is fine. Could he use a new one? Every dryer can use a new one. It's not cracked. It's still pliable. It seems like it's okay. That can be for another day. The pulley works. That's not too bad. We could shoot it with a little oil. The rollers I showed you before, they're fine, so there's no sense in doing them.
In all reality, other than having two people who are able-bodied, men, women, me and Jay, figured out how to fix the refrigerator. That's been going. We diagnosed this. And Jay said the first thing, and anyone does. Now listen, no offense if you can't do it, whatever, you're 60, you're 20, you got no, whatever, just don't take offense. But Jay's like, yeah, the motor broke. I could go with fucking PC Richards, right? And I could drop $8.99 on something and get it delivered tomorrow.
Right.
And this will be hauled away and
thrown in a landfill
and disappear. And there's absolutely nothing wrong. Knock on the hollow. Oh, that looks hollow. Hollow. I have these two machines. He's got 4. Other than something completely obsolete, just try to fix them.
Yeah, there's no sense junking this. And people throw these things out all the time
Oh.
for a bad motor.
Can you imagine going
For
to
bad people, it was $65.
And
How can you throw the machine out for 60? Oh, it's not efficient. Well, $8.99 sure isn't efficient on your fucking wallet now, is it? I didn't think so. $69 is a lot more efficient on your wallet. And that's it. It wasn't a big deal. I came over here. We ripped this thing apart like fucking madmen. We had it apart in what 5 minutes? We had the drum out, everything.
Sure.
It was taken apart. We took the back off. We saw what the problem was.
If he was unavailable, we would have done it another day.
Yeah, we ran
It's
into a
not
little
a-
problem with this, just for what it was. It still screws on. It's not cracked. Everything's good.
Right, we tested it on the
We
shaft.
tested it on the shaft again. It's all good. So it will be fixed and it will be placed back in service. So that's the good news. Hopefully I'll be able to come back when the new part comes in and we'll slam it back together. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.